Good morning, everyone. Today I'll show you how I made Nescafe latte with chocolate sauce. So this drink has two layers, the coffee at the bottom and the froth at the top. I bought 3 Nescafe drinks, latte, cappuccino, and double chocolate mocha. And they all taste nice. So I recommend for you to try them and buy them. Each one of these boxes will have 8 sachets, and it tells you at the back or on the side how to make the drinks. So we need to boil some water. I like to use these glasses because they are transparent and they show the layers. We need to pour in the coffee drink and then top it up with warm water. The water should not be boiling, otherwise the glass may shatter. And then we stir, and that's it. Our coffee is ready. It tastes just as good as the one you get from a coffee shop. The other thing I need to say is don't drink these too much because they contain artificial things. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more.